everyone, myself Chandramohan Singh. I would like to tell you about how to insert a picture or a clip art in Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so before we start this video, I just want to tell you that if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it for more updates. Okay, now let's start the PowerPoint. So this is our PowerPoint interface here. If suppose you want to add some picture here, like here if I would like to type a title like PowerPoint, POWER, okay, Power, POINT, PowerPoint, okay, and here in this I would like to insert one picture. So for this what I have to do, you have to click on the insert tab, okay. Now here we have the option of picture, clip art, screenshot, photo album. Okay, now in this what I want to do, I want to add one picture. For this what I have to do, I just click on the picture option. Now the picture option will show you one dialog box. Choose your desired picture from there. So I would like to take a picture. Okay, so inside this icon I have some pictures like this Microsoft PowerPoint icon I have. So I just take one. Yes, here. So this picture is now pasted on my slide. Okay, you can increase or decrease the size of your picture. You can see here on the edge of the picture's border, you can see there are the dotted. Just select any dot and decrease the size of your picture. Fine. Even you can drag it and shift it according to your desired place. Like here I want to shift it into the left center, so I shift it. Fine. Now if you want to shift this your heading portion to the up, what you will do, you just click over it. You can see the dotted border has been appear. Now you just go on the borders edge and you can see the mouse pointer has become changed. When you see this kind of mouse pointer, it means it will, the computer is telling you this is the drag and drop pointer. Once this pointer will come, you just hold the mouse and drag the item where you want to set and leave the mouse when you go to your desired place. Fine. So this is how you can insert a picture or you can change the position of your picture. Even you can increase or decrease the size of your picture. Now if suppose you don't want a subtitle portion in your slide, then what you will do, you just select it. Okay, now it is selected. Now now press the delete button from your keyboard. Now see, it is deleted. Fine. So one more thing, if suppose you want to do some editing on your picture, if suppose you want to do some editing over your picture, then for this what you will do, you just double click on your picture, and when you double click on your picture, see the menu bar, there is a one more tab will open, that is picture tool tab. Okay, under this we have the tab of format. Fine. Under the format tab you can see there are so many options available to make changes on your picture. So if you want to do some changes, like if suppose you want to crop your picture, crop means cut some part of your picture, then what you will do, you just click on the crop tool. Fine. Next, when you click on the crop tool, it will show you the uh, this kind of this kind of line on the border of the picture. You just drag this line like this much size I want from the right top side, and from the left hand side I would again like to decrease the size. Fine. Now you can see once I click on outside, you can see the size of the picture is now decreased. Fine. So this is how you can decrease the size of your picture. Even if suppose you want to increase the brightness and contrast of your picture, then what you will do, again just double click over it, then this tab will be open. Go to the correction. Okay, now see there are so many options or there are so many options are given there. You can choose your option according to your need, like I would like to increase the hardness or sharpness of the picture, then I click on this. Fine. If you want to change the color of your uh, picture, you can change the color from here. Fine. Okay, so this is how you can change, or this is how you can do some changes over your picture. Fine. Now next is, if suppose you want to insert a clip art, then for this what you will do, same procedure is here. Fine. Go to the insert and click on the clip art. Fine. So here it is showing you some information related to that. I can explain this in my next class, but later on. Now I would like to tell you one more thing, that is we will insert shapes in our slide also. Shapes are what? Shapes are predefined design. Like if you want to insert a shape in your slide, then for this what I have to do? I just first make one new slide, like here. Here this is my new slide, and I don't like this area. So what I have to do? I just drag over it, and now you can see when I click on the delete, then this area will be deleted. Now what I want to do, I would like to insert one shape here. So I just go in the insert option and go to the illustration and go in the shape, click on the shape. Now see, here we have so many shapes. You can choose anyone, like I would like to insert this smiley. Fine. Now the smiley is inserted, smiley is selected, and you can see the mouse pointer, it is showing the plus icon. It shows that from where you want to start there, where you want to show your clip art. Just go set your pointer to your on the slide and drag it with the help of your mouse, and see the icon of the smiley has been showing to you. Now this is how you can insert the shapes. Fine. Again, if you want to do some changes over your shape, what you will do, just double click over it. Now see, it will show you the drawing tool option, or drawing tool menu will appear on the top, and under that we have the option of format. Okay, if you will work on the shapes, then it will show you the drawing tool option, and if you want to do some editing over the picture, then it will show you picture tool. Fine. Now here we have some groups of menus, like insert, shape group, shape style group, word style, arrange, size. So if you want to do some changes, like you want to change the color of this, so for this what you will do, go to the shape fill and choose no color first. I don't like any color. And if you want to change the outline, like I would like to change the outline into the red color. Fine. You can even also give some effect like 3D glow and all. So you can do this as per your requirement. Even you can also increase or decrease the size of your smiley. Fine. you can you can insert few more smiley or few more shapes from here. Fine. Now next is, if suppose you want to insert some graphics, some smart art like this, so go to the insert tab and click on the smart art under the illustration group, and here you can see there are some smart arts. Okay, you can choose anyone which you like here I just go in the cycle one and choose this one, and then click OK. Then it will ask you to fill the data inside this cycle. So if you want to type anything like life cycle and pollution, anything you want to write, anything you want to show in a graphic format, then you can use this. Fine. Now if you want to do some changes over the design or texture, you can change it as per your requirement. Fine. So this is how you can insert a picture in your slide, and you can do some editing in your slide. Okay, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.